What's up, everybody? Salamu alaikum on this beautiful Yama Juma to the Muslims worldwide, man. Y'all know who it is, man. You know it's live at 5 with your boy, aka 100 Pit Poppy. I'm on 100 Pit Poppy today, aka Mr. Goya. Get off your ass, aka One Way Jose, aka Don Juan Julian. What's up, man? Hey, man, we back live at 5 like we do every Friday, man. I'm gonna wait, see some people tap in, man. I love y'all for your rocking with your boy. You know, I just got back from DR. I got a lot of info to disseminate, to share with you. You know, everybody is, hit me up, showing me love. You know, you seen I've been posting, real estate from the DR on my stories and all that. I'm just planting seeds, man. For people always asking me questions, why this, why that, why you go there, why I mean. Some of this stuff is self-explanatory, especially financially. All right. But no, real talk today, man, is I'm going to come at you. Yeah, the DR was lovely and all that, man. And we going to chop that up, man. I'm going to keep putting my footage on there, my content. Y'all keep liking it, subscribing and all that, on all my stuff, man. But listen, man, today in Traders Parlay, I'm coming to you, like I said, it's 100 Pip Poppy. So today in Traders Parlay, in the Traders lingo, the Traders world, today is known as Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday is the first Friday of every month. So you get 12 of them. So I'm gonna break down, one of the questions I had, people said they would love to live abroad, whether it's the DR, anywhere, Thailand, Bali, anywhere, just getting up out of America because of, the increasing prices, cost of living. We all know what it is, you know what I'm saying? We going through it. So, people's like, the number one question is, I want to work remote. What about remote jobs over there, right? And I'm like, and I laugh at all this because, if anybody, y'all know my story, you've been rocking with me, man. I did 20 in the feds. And one of the best skills I picked up was Forex, learning how to trade in foreign exchange, the currency market, the largest financial market in the world, all right? Let's not get that twisted. The largest by far. We talking about a last count, I think it was 11 trillion a day. In comparison to New York Stock Exchange does probably, it don't even do 20 billion a day. But that's comparison. So I'm coming at you as 100 Pip Poppy, man. Everybody like, what's a remote way I can make money? Learn how to trade. And I say this because this coincides with Freaky Friday today, the first Friday of every month. I say you don't want to get down with the schematics. You're intimidated. It looks hard. I don't know how getting money can look hard. Listen. But anyway, I say you don't want to get down with the schematics learning and, oh my God, I'm scared to lose my money because there's only money you put in an account. You people get so caught, oh my God, I'm going to go broke. No, you're not. You're just going to blow the money that you put in your account. If you fund your account with $20, then that's all you're going to lose. You can't lose your house. So this whole notion about, no, 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 no. That's not Forex trading. I don't know what you're talking about. It ain't the currency market. So let's get back. The first Friday every month is called Freaky Friday. Why? Because America releases what they call the NFP, I said NPR, I'm talking about the radio station. NFP, non-farm payroll. All right? NFP, non-farm payroll, is a monthly expectation of how many jobs that the American economy will add or lose monthly. See that? Let's get down. I'm gonna break trading down for you real simple. All right. For those that's scared and all this, and you can try this. And that's why I'm coming to you this Friday, telling you about Freaky Friday, the first Friday of every month. You get 12 of them a year. The non-farm payroll is released. So say, I'll give you an example. The non-farm payroll numbers projections for August was 178,000 added jobs. 178,000 jobs. All right. Whatever, do so um if the projections are met or go over, guess what? On Freaky Friday, the dollar, whatever pairs with the dollar, the yen, the dollar and the euro, the dollar and the pen, whatever the dollar, you can take any dollar pair. But say if the projections is 178 like they was for August, they came in, actually they added 114,000 jobs. You know what I'm saying? So that's lower, right? Obviously, 114 is lower than 178. So what happens when the NFP is released? If the numbers are met, the projections are met, if there was 178,000 jobs added today, the dollar would have skyrocketed for the whole day. So you could have just got in with $50, $20, and just bought the dollar and just let it run. Just let it run. I mean, if you scared of learning how to trade, you only gonna get 12 opportunities a year because Freaky Friday is the first Friday every month. But I'm saying, you could have got in the day with $20 and you could have rolled that joint to $2, $3, $4, $5,000, depending on how many pairs you're trading. But that is the what they call fundamental trading. You're trading based off the news, and the news is the non-farm payroll released their projections today, and it wasn't 178, it was 114. So the dollar is down. So conversely, you just sell the dollar. See, that's the thing about the beautiful thing about the currency market. We don't care if the price goes up or down because you make money either way. If the price is going up, you buy the currency. If the price is dropping, you sell it. It's that simple. That's what makes it the largest market, the largest liquid market, and made so many millionaires. And that's why Americans don't even know nothing about it. That's why they don't teach it in school, because they need, this is a consumer-driven society. They need you working in plants and factories. They don't need you listening to me trading the non-farm payroll on Freaky Friday, the first Friday of every month, making thousands and thousands of dollars. And the thing with the bank made, the institutional traders, Wells Fargo and all them. All banks have Forex departments too. That's where they make their money besides charging y'all crazy ass interest. They use your money and they trade it in Forex. You know what I'm saying? I hate to bust your bubble. Y'all think banks make money on what? Charging you interest, true. And they make money in the Forex market. That's why it's the most liquid market, the largest market in the world. So now you got a jewel. Now you talking about I need a mobile income. There you go. The first Friday of September. Look for the projections, how many jobs are going to be added, whatever the projections are. And then you wait to next Friday, the first Friday of September, Freaky Friday. And if the numbers are met or above, the dollar's going to skyrocket. Throw $20 in there on the dollar and see what happens. And then you can come back and thank me. Free game. That's free game right there. This is what I'm talking about, So, do things, shake it. I don't know who I'm gonna subscribe. Shout me, but I subscribe. Okay, good love, Cozy Khan. I love it. I appreciate it. Okay, Misha, I'm Russian. What's up, brother? I wish I knew some Russian for you, but good looking out for checking on the channel. But yeah, so this is Freaky Friday, so there you go. There you go on this episode of the OddCast. I gave you some game. Then you got to remember, you got to go back and watch this at the first Friday of every month. All right? Learn about the non-farm payroll, NFP. All right? Just start there. Start trading once a month. If you want to put $100, whatever, you buy $300, $400 shoes. So, but I'm just saying, you could put $20 in and make. If you look at the market today, man, it went up 300-400 pips. So if let me break down pips to you. Pips is one position it moves. All right. So say it went 300 pips a day, 200 depending on which U.S. pair you're looking at. The euro and the dollar, the yen and the dollar and the Canadian dollar, the dollar and the Aussie dollar, the dollar and the Swiss franc. It's so many pairs of dollars too. All right. So listen, if you'd have put $20 just on one pair, just say on one pair that went up 200-300 pips, that $20 would have got you $400. $20, $400 a day. $20. And that's if you're trading this regular pip. If you had more leverage, that 400 could have been 4,000. That's the beauty of leverage. I ain't gonna bombard you with leverage and all that, but that's the jewel for the day, man. On the OddCast. See, that's why I said all that other stuff people got on their channel. That's their thing. I don't knock it. I don't really talk about it unless it somehow leaks into my life. But I speak my language, man. I speak my language. If you can't speak my language, then you sit around and listen to me, and I'm gonna help you out. All right, I'm gonna help you out. But listen, Dow crashed 600 today, didn't it? The Dow, yeah. Who cares about the Dow? Yeah, it did. It did. But you know why it crashed? Because that also is the non-farm pay. It reacted to 114,000 jobs being added instead of 178. They were 60-some, 50-some thousand jobs below projections. So the dollar is down. The market closes at 4. Was getting close. But yeah, the market, and it opens back up Sunday. But yeah, when Freaky Friday comes out, whatever that NFP number is, the dollar's either going to go up for all of Friday or down. So that's your jewel. Now you watch it for September. And when we get closer to Freaky Friday next September, I'm gonna reiterate it. In a couple weeks, we got 3 weeks or so. What's this? Yeah, this is free. We got 3 weeks. We got 3 more Fridays in August, and then you got the first Friday of September, first Friday of October. But yeah, love from Crim. Hey, I love that. Hey, my man, good looking, man. I got brothers watching from Moscow, man. I love you, man. Y'all gotta get the ruble. Which I got the ruble. The ruble ain't even in the market. But anyway, you still can trade other things. So yeah. So and like I said, if you're intimidated and you're scared, oh, there's so much minutia and so much information. It can be. You can have information overload, but just gave you something simple you can do 12 times a year. 12 times a year, because there's only one Freaky Friday. I mean, one first Friday a month, right? 12 times a year, man. What a good boy. You got 12 trades, and you'll be 100% traded because you can't lose because the direction once it's released. I think it's released at 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Once it's released, the dollars go look at your chart. You got to download. This your homework I want you to do until September's Freaky Friday. I want you to download MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Trade Locker, Trading View. So those are 4 different apps: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Trade Locker, Trading View. All right. And I say download them, they're all free, and you can maneuver and start looking at the market. Start looking at the dollar pairs. When I say pairs, whatever currency is attached to the dollar, because the dollar can be traded with the euro, the British pound, the Japanese yen, like I said. But just look at what happened to the dollar when the NFP came out this morning. Projection was 178. And the actual numbers was 114. The dollar drops, but the other pair goes up. So it doesn't matter. You're going to see it because you're going to know the numbers. Whatever the number is going to be for September, you wait for that number. If that number's met the first Friday of September, the dollar going to go up all Friday, throw you $20 in, $40 in, $100 in, and ride that joint to a couple grand. And then you can thank your man, 100 pip poppy. Yeah, I just gave you something simple to do 12 times a month, man. Imagine this. Those 12 times a month, that one day, Friday, you can make more money than you'll make the whole month depending on what you trade. You see what I'm saying? I mean, if you jump in the trade with $50 and you trading 5 pair, you know what I'm saying? 5 pair and they all going 200-300 pips because you got the non-farm payroll numbers. 5 pairs going 200-300 pips. You're talking, man, well over thousands of dollars. Well over. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, and if you trade the standard, I mean, mini lot's $1. A standard lot is $10. You trading the standard lot, but you got money in your bank. Start off with the mini lot. You still make a couple $1,000s on one day, man. Of $20, $40. I gave the game to you free. All these other bozos want to get on here and I don't charge people. Listen, man, when there's something out there that can change people's life, I charge people $2 million. Nah, man. I give it up, man, because the Lord gonna bless me. The Lord gonna keep blessing me, and I'm gonna keep moving, man. Man, what I give you, man, doesn't stop me for whatever God hasn't planned for me. That's how people no, man. I'm gonna give it out, man, because people out here struggling. People, I don't know how to make money remote. There you go. Just gave it to you. Non-farm payroll, first Friday of every month. Get the numbers for September. Wait until the first Friday of September. We gonna reconvene, and I'm gonna get on you. You put your money in there, and put your money where your mouth is. And then you're gonna be like, damn, oh man, dude, sure, man. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm speaking my language now, man. All that other stuff ain't really my language. Just because you can speak English don't mean we speaking the same language. So yeah, man. I just wanted to share that with y'all on this edition of the OddCast, man. The DR was exhilarating. It was all that. You seen the photos, you seen the content. Man, I listen, I found my tribe, I'm hooking the caboose, I'm hooking the train up. You trying to come, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you better start trading, man. It's the best remote job you can have anywhere in the world, because all you need is Wi-Fi on the phone. You just need Wi-Fi, trade off your phone, man. Yeah. You open an account, it's 1 million brokers in the world, literally. I'm not trying to be funny, but in America, you're going to have to use American brokers. They some trash because they new to the game and they trying to hate. European brokers, foreign brokers are way better. But anyway, we're going to play the game with America since we're if you're in America. In the DR, you got a different broker. But in America, open up an account, Ameritrade, whoever, Forex.com. It's Oanda. I mean, I don't even like shouting them out because they ain't, I mean, they slow to the game. You know, they slow to the game, and then they trying to regulate how you make money. But you can still make millions of dollars, thousands of dollars easily. Easily. All right, so that's what we gonna do. You know, you gonna wait for next month. You know, then you gonna see. Put your money where your mouth is. You gonna see, man. A non-farm payroll change your life. Forex will change your life, man. 100 pip poppy will change your life. That's all I'm trying to say, man. And on that note, man, we gonna get back together next Friday, live at 5. You know, I'm about to get up off here, man. I got some errands running, all that, man. See my little boys, man. Miss some little buggers, man. But yeah. This is the mobile lifestyle that you need, man. All right, good, all right? 12 times a year, man. Picture like this. Imagine if you made $2,000, $3,000, you know what I'm saying, every Freaky Friday. If you made $2,000 every Freaky Friday, that's $24,000 because you only got 12 times a year. That's 24 grand. That should tell you the power and the money that's in the Forex. You only traded 12 times. And if you just follow it, I mean, it's easy, you know? Go, like I said, download them apps, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Just go look at the dollar pairs and look how it dropped today. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Look how it dropped. Go back. And the thing about when you get these apps, they go back to the 90s. All right, so you can scroll back and look back at prior prices. Go back to every first Friday, every Freaky Friday. Go back to July. Go back to June, May. Just look at it. Look what happens on Friday, the first Friday every month. It never fails. And that's where a lot of people get rich in the market. That they scared about learning the chart and all the minutiae. It ain't nothing, man. Trust me, it ain't nothing. That's why they don't want you knowing America. But you got 100 pip poppy, man. AKA Mr. Goya. Get off your ass, man. Move around. Come on, man. Stop feeling sorry for yourself, man. Stop killing yourself. Eating trash ass food, then you don't move or nothing, man. Come on, man. Move around. Love you. If you love yourself, man, show yourself you love yourself. Be the best you, man. I'm gonna be the best me. Be the best you, man. How you love yourself, man? You 400 pounds, 500 pounds, not, and I'm not body shaming. I'm just saying everybody that's 400 or 500 pounds don't want to be 400 or 500 pounds. You know what I'm saying? You lost some discipline and some focus somewhere. So that's what I mean by, listen, man. If you love yourself, show yourself you love yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? Learn about the non-farm payroll and be waiting September 1st. We gonna talk. I'm telling you. I'm gonna bring it up every Friday. Y'all come on. I'm just gonna say put a little bell in your ear. We get closer in 3 weeks. Yeah, we gonna see if you want to change your condition, man. Because I'm changing mine, man. And on that note, man, I'm out of here, man. I love you. Please continue to keep liking, subscribing to the OddCast, man. This our gig, man. I'm gonna give it out to you, man. I'm gonna give you beautiful locations, beautiful people. And I'm gonna leave you with this, man. If you think anything about my channel, this I want you to always keep in mind. Great minds talk about ideas. Good minds talk about events, and small minds talk about people. All right. So you know, I like to be in the first two categories: ideas and events. And I do we talk about enough people as it is, and we don't even talk good. At least I try to. But you know. So on that note, the OddCast is done for this Friday. Hope you have a wonderful, safe weekend. Dig into the non-farm payroll. Dig into it. What is the NFP? I keep getting, I want to say NSA, NFP. I got so many N's in my mind. Dig into it, man. Do your research. You want to change your family's life, man. And we're going to reconvene next Friday, man. I love you, man. Thank you for the continued support. Oh, it's out.